Hello guys. Welcome back to my channel, Writing Practices. Today, we are going to learn how to write a study certificate request letter. What is a study certificate request letter? A study certificate request letter is a formal written document in which an individual, typically a student, requests an official certificate or letter from an educational institution. This certificate or letter is issued by the institution and confirms specific details related to the individual's academic history, enrollment, or completion of a course or program of study. The request for a study certificate is often made for various purposes, including employment, further education, immigration, or documentation of academic achievements. Here, Writing Practices will show you how to write a study certificate request letter step by step. Check this out. First of all, you need to write the date of the letter. Use the format of month, date, and year. After that, write the information about the recipient. You should write the full name. But, if you have no idea, you can simply write the name of the office, as well as the university. For example, this letter is addressed to Springfield University, for the office of the registrar. And then, write the address of the office or university or school or institution. You need to include the number, street name, city, state, and zip code. Once you complete all the information, open the letter with salutation. Since you don't know their name, you can write to whom it may concern, or dear sir or madam. In the first paragraph, this is where you do an introduction. In doing so, you can begin with a polite and formal introduction. Yes, it is essential that you state your name, student identification number, if applicable, and your current or former enrollment status at the institution. For example, I am writing to request a study certificate for the period of my enrollment at Springfield University. My full name is John Smith, and my date of birth is January 15, 1990. I was enrolled in the Bachelor of Science in Computer Science program from September 2019 to May 2023. From this first paragraph, the recipient will get the idea why you are writing this letter. In the second paragraph, you can write the purpose of the request. In this case, you should clearly state the purpose for which you are requesting the study certificate. Of course, it is highly recommended to mention if it is needed for employment, further education, immigration, or any other specific reason. So, in this example, the writer stated, "I require this study certificate for a job application." The certificate is essential for verifying my educational qualifications as part of the application process. You should convince the recipient about the urgency of you having this study certificate letter as soon as possible. In the third paragraph, this is where you give all details for the certificate. In this case, you should specify the specific details or information that should be included in the study certificate. This may include the period of your enrollment, or start and end dates, the name of the course or program of study, and any additional details that are relevant to your request. For example, I kindly request that the study certificate includes the following details. Name of the student, James Bond. Date of birth, January 15, 1990. Enrollment date, September 2019. Graduation date, May 2023. Course or program name, Bachelor of Science in Computer Science. Duration of the course or program, September 2019 to May 2023. After that, in the fourth paragraph, you can write the requested timeline. Here, you should indicate the deadline by which you need the study certificate. Why? Of course, this is important if you have a specific time frame for your application or submission. And talk also about the fee. For example as, I understand that there may be a processing fee for this request, and I am prepared to cover any associated costs. Please inform me of the payment process and the amount due, if applicable. In the last paragraph, you should write additional instructions. And if there are any special instructions or requirements related to the certificate, such as a specific format or method of delivery, mention them here. In this example, the writer wrote, I would appreciate it if you could expedite this request, as it is time sensitive for my job application. You can send the study certificate to my address mentioned above or email it to john.smith@email.com for added convenience. Besides that, you can also provide your contact information. Here, write your contact information, including your email address and phone number, so that the institution can reach you for any clarifications or updates regarding your request. For example is, if there are any forms or documents that require my signature or any further information needed from my end, please do not hesitate to contact me. And for the closing, conclude the letter with a polite closing, such as, sincerely, or, yours faithfully, followed by your signature. You can also add enclosures. If you are including any additional documents or forms with your request, list them here. So, that's how you write a study certificate request letter step by step. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and see you soon.